Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from Creative Team. So in this super short video I want to say a few words about the latest updates of Argon Dashboard Pro. The product has been updated to a newer code base where the design is no longer hard-coded inside the product and comes from an external library during the module's installation. And also once we access the source code, which is publicly available here on GitHub, the repository is public. I will start the product in a local environment using Docker. What's different in this new version, which is 1.0.2? Starting with this version, the UI, as I mentioned before, is no longer hard-coded inside the product and comes from this external library where in order to access it we need this GitHub token, which is shipped during the purchase. Okay, let's pull the source code locally and start the product using Docker. So I will clone the sources directly from GitHub. Okay. For this demonstration, I will use a temporary GitHub token, which will be erased after demonstration, just to explain how to use the product. In your case, once you made a purchase, you'll get your own GitHub token, which needs to be kept secret, and please don't share it with anyone because or even save it on GitHub, because you will be automatically invalidated and you can't be you were enabled to use the product anymore. Okay, in this case, in my case, I will use the value to start application in Docker. There is a dedicated section here, start in Docker, which explains how to start an application in Docker. The first thing is to open up the Docker file, which is saved in the root of the project of the source code, and update this line and provide a GitHub token in order to authorize the modules installation. And once we edit the file and save the token, we are able to start application using Docker Compose. Okay, let's open the project, open the Docker file as specified in the documentation. I will copy the value of the token from and save it here. And once the project is the file is saved, you just need to execute this command, and the application should be up and running in 1 or 2 minutes. The Docker setup basically executes all the steps that are usually executed manually, like creating a virtual environment, install all the application, all the modules, migrate the database, and start the project. Okay. Let's access the application in the browser, so we can see that the requests are sent to the backend, and we are good to go. Let's register a new user. I will type here the password just to avoid the typing mismatch. Once the user is created, we are automatically redirected to the sign-in page, and we should be able to authenticate using the credentials. Okay, now the UI looks different. The sidebar is no longer filtered. We have all the pages provided by this amazing design. We have here all the stuff, dashboards, and looks super nice in my opinion. Okay, so guys, this is a demonstration. The project can be used also in standalone mode, where the project starts based on the manual build, but also we can set up really quickly the application using Docker. We can start the project using a single line, that Docker compose up minus build. But the only thing that we need to do is to export this GitHub token in the Docker environment. And as I said before, please don't share with anyone this token, because it's ties your license to the product. And also don't save it on GitHub, because it's automatically invalidated. Okay, in all cases, let us know what you think about the product. If anyone have issues, feel free to send us an email and contact the support, and in all cases we will try to assist. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.